Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be creating pinwheels. Now to start off the project, what you need is firstly your colored A4 paper. Alright, so to begin, the first thing you've got to do is you're going to fold this into half lengthwise, just like that. Okay, alright, so I'm going to open that. There you go. Now you're going to take this edge of the paper and you're going to approximate it to the other end of the paper, just like that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to open that up. Next thing, take the edge of the paper and you're going to approximate it to the middle of the line that we've created earlier. Okay, just like that. Now same thing you're going to do on this side. Okay, so you have got your paper with a line in the middle and three other lines over here. Now it's easier to do that because it forms a guide for you to fold your paper. Alright, so same thing. One end of the paper, bring it to the first line, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this paper over and fold it. Okay, then same thing, flip it back, fold it. Alright, so you're going to repeat the same process until you come to the end of the paper. Okay, now, okay, so that's done. Same thing, you're going to fold this corner into half. Okay, and repeat the process. So flip over, fold, and turn the paper over and fold. Okay, like I told you earlier, it makes it much easier when you have these lines over here. Okay, it's like a guide for you, so you get the same size. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Alright, okay, so you get something like this, looks like a fan. Alright, so you remember how we folded the paper into half at the beginning of the video? Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get hold of your scissors and you're just going to cut right in the middle, just like that. Okay, oops, sorry guys. Okay, so just going to cut it right. Yep, there you go. All right. Okay, so you get, okay, you get half of the paper, just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do next is you're going to punch a hole, okay, at the end of the paper, okay, at one end of the paper. So just as a guidance, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my pencil, okay, and just do a mark there so that's easier for me. Then get hold of your hole puncher, just like that. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it inside here and I am going to just make a hole. Alright, okay, so you see, get there. So all we've got to do is just trace the same thing with the other paper. Okay, so you can just trace like that, get hold of the hole puncher, and then you have to okay, punch a hole just like that. Okay, so that's done. Next, what you do, get hold of your glue stick. Alright, so we're going to glue one end to the other end. So how I would usually glue it would be, I'll take this part like that, okay, and I would just put it like that. So take your glue, and okay, let's put it on the paper just like that. Okay, paste it and just approximate it back. All right, there you go. Now we're not done yet, so now that's how you do this part of it. So just like this, what I'm going to do, I've already done previously another 2 sets just like that. So just get hold of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to glue the edges of the paper. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, and we're going to use this side just like that. Okay guys, for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to take the ribbon that we have got. Okay, so all you have to do is twist one end of the ribbon, okay, so that's easier for it to go through the hole that we have done here. So in the same thing here, so just repeat the process until you get this end of the ribbon all the way through this hole. Like if you need help, all you've got to do is use your mechanical pencil and just press the ribbon just like that. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we're going to tie a knot over here, but is we take the ribbon and we're going to tie a knot. Okay, tie a knot. Okay, just like that. I'm going to put 2 knots. Okay, and then you're going to cut that off. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to tell you is that when you're doing this and you're tying the knot, one important thing to keep in mind is that make sure when you're tying the knot, it's a loose knot, okay, and there's gap as well, if you can see. Okay, now the reason for it is that when you do that, it's easier for the pinwheels to move. Okay, so if it's too tight, then it's really hard for it to move. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll show you. Just get hold of your glue, okay, and you're going to glue this side by side. Okay, so sorry, put some glue. Okay, put some glue like that. You can put this ribbon to the back. You're going to glue it side by side, okay, just like that. Okay, now so you've got your pinwheel here. Now the other thing I want to show you is that if you flip this over, okay, you see how you've got your knot here. Now that's one of the reasons why I prefer using ribbon compared to string, because if it is a ribbon, it's easier for you to actually undo the knot. Okay, so what I can do, once you undo the knot, you can actually pull it a bit tighter. Okay, you can approximate the spine of the pinwheels. Can you see how when you do it tighter, it looks quite nice, just like that? Okay, so once you've got that, okay, you can tie up your double knot. All right, so there you go. Okay, now you get yourself a beautiful pinwheel. Hey guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now I've done a few like this previously for an event. I'll show you some of it. So I've got some purple ones, there's this blue one here, and also there you go. Okay, some green pinwheels. Now I hope you give this a go and let me know how it has turned out. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.